Hi, Del here, and this is the Silver Dog. He's in a puppy mode right now. That is the 18350 battery. Mine has a O-ring because my top cap is from prototype, so the hole does not align with mesh. One will make me a new top cap today, so I had to use the O-ring. Okay, and on the bottom you can see the yin-yang sign. It has a locking ring, so it will not fire. Okay. It has 4 vent holes, and this thing here is not just for decoration or something. It is so if you have slippery hands, sweaty hands or something, it will not slide through. As you can see, it works great. Under the top cap we have M3 screws. Originally one wanted to make it M2, but there was space, so he used that space, and it will be much easier for you to wrap your coils. Okay, mesh hole is in the middle like on original Genesis style atomizer. It is isolated with Delrin. Okay, let me just put the top cap back on. Okay. This is the tank. Tank is also isolated with Delrin. It will not fall out. See? Okay. You can remove it completely. I will not do that because it is filled with liquid. I will get liquid on my hands. It has a lid here that you just open, and you can pour your liquid straight from the bottle. No need for I don't know, for syringe or anything. So this is the bottom part. That silver thing is the battery nipple. Battery is also isolated from the device. See? It has very small threads. One made that on purpose, so there is no need for screwing for a minute. No need for bigger threads. Smooth as a butter. See? Okay. Wait a minute, let me just replace the bottom part. Okay. Here is the dog in 18650 mode. That is a wolf. See? It is again small. This is my Bully Elite with steam machine on it, and it is much smaller than this. Okay. You will not get dry heats from this. You will empty your tank, and then when you get a dry heat, that is how you will know the tank is empty. It will not leak at all. See? No liquid. You can carry it in your purse, in your pocket, or whatever. It will not leak at all. So This is my first time I'm speaking English in the camera, so I'm a little nervous, and my English sucks, by the way, if you haven't noticed. So that is it. I will make 3 more videos: how to clean and refill your tank, and how to assemble and disassemble the dog, and how to make coils. I know you people made it before, but you will see how easy it is with M3 screws. You will not get short on this because it is isolated. No shorts. Okay? And this is it. Silver Dog crossbreed.